shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am just going to do my next collab video with my Birthstone beauties. And obviously it's August, and the birthstone for August is called Peridot. I've called it Peridot my whole life because I was sure that it was French. So yeah, Peridot. Anyways, it is a beautiful kind of yellowy green. It's not yellow, it's not green, it's kind of in between, but it leans more to the green side in my opinion. So I am going to go for a light green look, a peridot look. That sounds crazy. I'm going for a peridot look. It seems like I should say that in an English accent. I'm doing a peridot look. I'm doing the look of the peridot. Anyways, okay, let me stop. So I am going to go off camera, put on all my base makeup, and then I will come back and we will do the peridot. I look the peridot. I look. I'll be back. Alright folks, I'm back with my face done. I forgot to mention that my beautiful friend Erica sent me another lovely gift. I know, they just keep on sending me sweet gifts and so sweet. Anyways, look at the beautiful cherry blossom road. It's a little bit narrow and not as long as the other pieces of material that I have for my backdrops. So some of the time you're going to maybe see a white outline, but I think it looks really cool back there. Alright, so Peridot. I started looking through my collection and I found this. I ordered these twice, and this is the Makeup Geek quad. Okay, so I ordered these two quads. The one called Olive You, which is this one, and the one called So Grateful, which is this one. And the shimmers broke on all of them both times. So I have the leftovers and the one I pressed back together the best I could on the second time around. That color right there looks like a Peridot color to me. These two. So with the accompanying shades, it will be lovely. So that's what I'm going to use for my Peridot look. I'm going to zoom you guys in here. Not going to forget. See, there's the white. Alright, this might look kind of crazy behind my head. We're just going to have to see. Like I said, for a while it's going to be a little weird. Welcome to my face. I think I'm too close. I think that's going to be the blurry spot. Welcome to my face.
flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. Stay pop, poolside, summertime 14. Splashing cool water, use let you know me. Wear your arms tight like a chain. Yeah. So tight, I can feel your name. Match with the puka, deep and wetted. When the day ends, it's the tea and wetted. And the gangs are here, yeah. Super soak in the heat, but still, inner demons trying to run my race. Grind it, roll them up in a container, yeah. Burn it, take it, turn them into vapor. Ay, now I'm eating good at Terracotta, yeah. R.I.P. Lorenza, that's an angel. And the Lacey, all the prices data, yeah. So shout out to the homies in the basement. I just still working for the paper, yeah. Oh, I can take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. Sin or shy, I wanna know her name.
You are now listening to Lukey Radio.
Sin or shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit, sipping on that juice. Like skateboard P and Diddy, finna get loose. Ooh, pardon me if I flake on occasion. Daylight when I'm more like Michael Cera. Never was a type to feel like singing. Never was a type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama raised me. Yeah, she's praying for me since I was a baby. Now my life is orbited by angels. Now my life's obtaining on the paper. Yeah, oh, Acura, take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage, I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. Stay pop, poolside, summertime 14. Splashing cool water, use legend on me. Wear your arms tight like a chain. Yeah, so tight I can feel your name. Match with the puka, deep and wetted. When the day ends, it's so deep and wetted, and the gangs are here. Yeah, super soak in the heat, but still, inner demons tryna run my races. Grind it, roll them up in a container. Yeah, burn it, take it, turn them into vapor. Ay, now I'm eating good at Terracotta. Yeah, R.I.P. Lorenza, that's an angel. And the Lacey, all the prices data. Yeah, so shout out to the homies in the basement. I just still working for the paper, yeah. Oh, Acura, take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage, I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. Sin or shy, I wanna know her name.
You are now listening to Lukey Radio.
Sin or shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit, sipping on that juice. Like skateboard P and Diddy, finna get loose. Ooh, pardon me if I flake on occasion. Daylight when I'm more like Michael Cera. Never was a type to feel like singing. Never was a type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama raised me. Yeah, she's praying for me since I was a baby. Now my life is orbited by angels. Now my life's obtaining on the paper. Yeah, oh, Acura, take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the still working for the paper. Yeah, oh, Acura, take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage, I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. I'll pick you up. I got you, I got you, I got you. Sin or shy, I wanna know her name.
You are now listening to Lukey Radio.
Sin or shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit, sipping on that juice. Like skateboard P and Diddy, finna get loose. Ooh, pardon me if I flake on occasion. Daylight when I'm more like Michael Cera. Never was a type to feel like singing. Never was a type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama raised me. Yeah, she's praying for me since I was a baby. Now my life is orbited by angels. Now my life's obtaining on the paper. Yeah, oh, Acura, take a spin on the back row with your hands flying out the window with you. Ain't nothing but mileage.
Alright guys, I am back. This is the finished look. If you were wondering about what was on my lips, it is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner and lippy. I feel like the color on the lid just makes the look, and I don't think it would be Peridotish if I didn't, but I think it's beautiful. The eyeshadows, they blended and worked beautifully, and the lid color is just too beautiful for words. And just in case you're interested in getting some Makeup Geek eyeshadows, you can also use my friend Marlo's code, and I think it's 10% off. I'll put it right there for you. Like I said, I got these at Target only because I had some credit at Target and they broke twice, and so they just refunded the money, and I was just like, I don't want the refund. I want the eyeshadows protected and not messed up. But okay, rant that I didn't mean to get into. Let's continue on. I think it turned out beautifully. I love the color. I'm so glad because I hadn't used this before, and I think it's gorgeous. So here is your Peridotish. Look, Peridotti. Okay, so since this is a collab with my beautiful ladies of the Birthstone Beauties, I'm going to do Glamour Shots in 3, 2, 1.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
You's a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt that been grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that Tripp chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these.
Alright guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for hanging in there with me while I'm getting new furniture, moving from one room to the other, and trying to figure out a new way of things. Thank you again to Erica for my beautiful backdrop. I hope you like the way it looks, and I hope everybody else liked it. You guys know I have an affinity for cherry blossoms. So thanks again for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will share my video with other people. And also, if you would subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so you don't miss any of my shimmery goodness. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.
I'll pick you up. I got you.
Love you, love you, love you. Harder, harder, harder. It is in oh, this is in the wrong one. It's not So Grateful. I put them in the wrong compacts when I fixed them. All right. I will figure it out someday. A change of scenery throws everything out of whack. Okay. Now. Chords, and more chords. Lots of chords. Know what I should do, 'cause I was made for loving you. I was made for loving you. I don't know what I should do, 'cause I was made for loving you. Are you outside my door? Are you outside my door?
Never was a type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama raised me. Yeah, she's praying for me since I was a baby. Now my life is orbited by angels. Now my life's obtaining on the paper. Yeah.
Are you outside my door? Are you outside my door? Patrick, are you okay? Are you outside my door? I think that the color on the lid made it a
Super soak in the heat, but still inner demons trying to run my race. Grind it, roll them up in a container. Yeah, burn it, take it, turn them into vapor.